Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing, where you like, subscribe, and share for a one-of-a-kind, company-made, computer software trading, probability-based trading alert, technical analysis, and company philosophy. And as you can see, the coins, Shiba Coin 3.5%, Dent 3%, Theta 6%, Doge 0.5%, Bitcoin 2%, Ethereum 2%, XRP 1.5%. I'm your most trusted source for blockchain technology and cryptocurrency breaking news and coin updates here on YouTube and in the cryptocurrency sphere. And that's right, I brought truth and integrity back into the trading sphere, right? And you can see we're having a little bit of a weekend power momentum move flush. And you can see we're coming down in Bitcoin, and it looks like to me you're coming down what we were talking about, this $32,967.37. That seems to be your next logical area where you're coming down to, as you have major support down, or not major support, but pretty good support on that orange ring. And if you remember, for a few months we were talking about an orange ring being support and resistance. Remember this? Go back into the daily time frame. This orange ring is still sitting here. I have not moved it out of here because this chart stays the same because it is a technical chart, and then you got to play it. Remember, orange ring, support and resistance, orange ring, support and resistance, support and resistance, back in December of 2021, all the way back in October of 2021. Then support and resistance in December, support and resistance in January, support and resistance in mid-January, support and resistance in early February, support and resistance in late February, support and resistance through March. And now we're coming back down. If we hit that, that's kind of a major support zone, and there could be some buyers there, right? So that's something to watch out for as we come back to a major support zone, this orange ring that has been major support that we just went over for quite some time. So there could be some buyers in that particular area, right? Once we get down to this orange ring, but that's still a pretty big move down and a thinly traded weekend. That's still a 7% or $2,400 down. Is it possible to do it this weekend? Absolutely. It's more than possible. You could have a flash crash right now and get down there, right? Or you could get some buyers come in and kind of fend off and try and get a little bit of bullish action going on there. But that is your next underneath major target, and that's what we circled this morning. And we're going to continue to watch out for that, as it's the most likely scenario. And that's why we put that crypto uh, minor capitulation price, which is about $34,000, just below where we're at now, because you could have big minor capitulation and you could have a major player like Michael Saylor get liquidated out of his position and lose a company and go bankrupt, right? That's the kind of stuff that happens in deep bear markets after a hype cycle. See, Dogecoin, your next underneath support is 11 cents on the falling channel. That's where I think you're going. XRP, we've had this. I've got my orange support zone back there at 47 cents at short-term target. That seems to be where, if you break this little area right here on a local double bottom at 56,661, just below where you're at now, if you break that, you're going to come all the way down here this weekend to this 47 cents, unless you can get buyers right now and you can start to trade back up, get up on top of this uh, upper resistance green line up there, green ring, and try to push back up, right? But if you fall and you get below this double bottom right here that you're threatening to break through right now, if you do indeed break through this, you can see right there, you're coming all the way down to 47 cents, and that'd be a big, big flush. As you do know, we are in the process of having a full lateral flush out of this symmetrical triangle that we were in for about 12 months since April of 2021, right? Your upper resistance right there, and then your lower support right there. And that's a neutral continuation pattern, but I thought the whole time it would break bearish when we were going over it last year, all through the fall season, August, September, October, Big Ten championship game, Ohio State win. Remember all those celebrations? That was all into this continuation pattern. And a technical target out of this is from the top of the channel to the bottom of the support. And that would bring you down here to 19 cents on a full lateral flush. That could take a few months, but you can see if we break this critical support here, support right about this 200-day moving average in green, you're coming all the way down, right? And that's maybe what we are finally about to get, a liquidation event coming the next few weeks and few months as we crash down to 19 cents. But along the way, there's going to be big bounces, and 47 cents is a big fall from where you're at now. If we come back into the 3-hour time frame, you can see if we have a big flush this weekend, to your next level down in XRP, this would be a 18% flush, right? So we're going to keep an eye on this all across the market. As you can see, Cardano is doing the same thing we've been telling you. We had that classic hook nose Jew bearish reversal pattern up to the moving average when the Fed talked. And I think that is coming down to 63 cents, the bottom part of this orange support zone, and the orange support zone is the last line of defense, aka get my shit together, to the shit house that starts all the way down there at 31 cents. And I've given you plenty of warnings in Cardano. If you break this orange zone, the volume indicator showing you have a quick and hard flush down to 31 cents, which would be a 50% flush. But I think you're probably coming down and the probabilities to 63 cents in retesting underneath support. But from current price, that is a 17% flush. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love. Peace and love.